have 51 artworks and 51 artists.
This work is inspired by reflections on history and the future. The artwork captures the charm of a breakfast through a relief composition. This work serves as a reminder of the importance of returning to childhood from time to time. No matter how old you are, you should never silence the little child within you. At the border between instinct and emotion, monkeys become reflections of ourselves. They remind us how human those we call wild can be. Start bidding and enjoy the art.